Hello YouTubers, today I found a perfect excuse to make another video on a 2008 Nissan Armada LE. Seems like I'm having a wheel bearing issue, and I'll show you how that looks like and we'll go from there. Anyhow YouTubers, last night coming down the freeway, I'm doing about 65. The trucks that are making this grinding noise, and by grinding noise I mean grinding noise. It sounded like broken gears, if you ever heard them before when they break. And but today I lift the truck up and check the front wheels and all that good stuff. Put a jack stand on the bottom. Put the truck in neutral, and so I can spin the tire. And now take a look at this. Shouldn't be like that. That's the problem. Now, as far as the grinding noise, listen to this. So anyhow, listen to this. Take a look at that tire. Okay YouTubers, after final inspection I did find that the rear wheel bearing was bad, and also two in the front. So I'm gonna replace them all at the same time. If you're interested in finding out how they get done, stay tuned. I will be making another video on how to replace all the wheel bearings, again, front and back. So if you're interested, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Alright, see you then.